you doing? Trying to knot it down?
No, trying not to. Please eat your broccoli.
No. Excuse me.
Airport Daniel. One in your ear. Broccoli in your ear? In your mouth? Ah, but it's Daniel's. Ah, quick, eat it. Oh, phew. Do you need one?
Mama, there's so much hair in this.
What's the matter?
There's so much hair in this.
That doesn't make any sense.
I think it's your own hair.
I found like 10 pieces of hair, like
Maybe you
stuck
should
in
put
it.
your hair in a ponytail.
No, it's like it's stuck in it.
I'm sorry. I don't know. It's probably one just wrapped around. I apologize.
No, I put out 3 pieces already.
Okay, I'm sorry.
No, I don't want to eat hair.
Uh-oh, she wants broccoli. Ooh, yummy. You want more? You gotta eat a meat first.
Airplane's out of gas.
Please eat one meat.
The airplane's out of gas, Mama.
The airplane's ran out of gas. Here, put more in it. Alright, here comes Daniel's broccoli. Oops, that's your eyeball. Try again.
Do my own.
There it goes. Ready? Airport cadence. Broccoli coming in for a landing. Oh, I missed.
Airport Sally Sue. Who's Sally Sue?
For you, I don't know. Airport muffin.
Hey, Mom, where's the garlic?
I don't know.
No. What
No?
not to eat?
What? You like the trees, not the stalks?
Don't you mean vampires?
Yeah. Yeah.
Do I know?
Oh, I do those. Got it. Ready?
That airplane.
I got some on your lip. You got a mustache. A broccoli mustache.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, you got it.
Where's that?
Yeah.
Mama,
What?
the airplane ran out of gas again.
The airplane got more gas.
No,
Here
it
comes the broccoli
didn't.
airplane.
It didn't. I
Did it? Here. More gas.
Wait, I have to do this.